Okay, there we go. I've taken the prop off because I didn't want to run the risk of it taking off or smacking me. Anyway, there we go. I've not got much battery power left in this thing. So there we are, all three servos working fine. Elevator servo, rudder servo. It obviously needs trimming out. The trims are working. Get it trimmed. That's better. Sorry, I'm not looking at it, am I? I'm pointing down. There we go. And then elevator servo. Oops, no. Aileron. The control rod for this aileron's disconnected at the moment. Nothing to worry about there. So there we are, fully functioning Tech GeeBee, ready to fly. Well, you need to reconnect that servo horn there, attach the prop, probably get a better battery, but 8 cells into here because that's what it will take. And you're away. So here we have something else. It was not included in the bundle of gliders because this is an electric powered plane. It's made of foam material and it's called a 3D airplane. This will prop hang. It's got a brushless motor on the front, really quite a large prop. So this isn't one that you take out on a windy day. You take this out on a quiet day. It's got ailerons, the single servo for the ailerons there. It's got 2 servos near the back for the rudder and elevator. Look at the size of the control surfaces, a really big rudder area, a really big elevator area, and quite a large surface area on here. And that's because you're going to be doing stunts and 3D stuff with this one. So this is all complete. The wheels are attached to it. It's got your finned motor speed controller, ESC they call them, engine speed controller. You've got this receiver in there, and of course, well, not of course, but I managed to keep everything together with this one. So instruction manuals and the transmitter that goes with it. I doubt there's any batteries in the transmitter, and on top of that, I've just got the battery on charge. Not sure what charge it will take, but I'll probably add to this video a little edition of just spinning it up with the with whatever charge I can get into the battery. Clearly, I would recommend buying a completely new battery because you know, with a certain age, who knows what charge they'll hold. You want to get a good running out of it, but that's up to you. You might be able to. The battery may be okay. Who knows? So there we have it, complete with box. Let's just have a quick look at what it says about itself. 4 channels. That's 3 servos and 1 motor. It tells you its length, 30-inch wingspan, flying weight, only 12.2 ounces or 345 grams, so very lightweight, 6-gram mini receiver, 9-gram servos, brushless motor, KV 1580, and 18 amp ESC, a 1047 propeller, and a 7.4 volt 1800 milliamp hour LiPo battery. You might get a 2000 milliamp hour LiPo battery for it. So there it is, quite complete. The only thing, minor thing, well, you can see a bit of discoloration to the ends of the wings where it's been stored, is minor damage to this, easily repaired with a bit of sellotape on there. And the this lever needs reattaching to the horn, to the control horn there. That's it. Everything else is there. Collection only, although I've got a box for it. In order to detach the wings, they're held on with double-sided sticky tape, if I remember correctly. I could detach it all for packing, but at your own risk, and it is then sold spares or repairs. And I'll say something about the price for it when I post it elsewhere. But yeah, please prefer this to be collected. It doesn't weigh a lot, but the box is there. And at your risk, I am prepared to slip something underneath that bit of fuselage to break the double-sided tape which is holding the wing in place, and put it into that box and then post it at your expense and risk. I'm just saying that because obviously, clearly, whatever I'm selling this for, it might not be, it isn't going to be cheap, because it is complete and it's a good little thing. I'd much rather that you came and collected this, and then you know what you're getting and it's all there as you would expect. And I'm not risking separating anything or having to pay, having to charge you that, not, well, whatever it costs to pack that thing up. There we go. That's the model that's available. A little moan. This is the GeeBee Tech instructions. Receiver assembly, single picture. Install the receiver to the fuselage, then join the connectors. It doesn't say what channel goes to what servo. Nothing anywhere here about what channel goes to what servo on the receiver. And then over here, where you've got the board channel transmitter, talks about setting the trims, but it doesn't tell you which channel is which on here. So if you're a beginner, it's going to be a bit of a struggle, and I can't remember, because it's a while since I've done it, which channel is which. Dear. Not very helpful. They could have said that. Okay, you know what? Oh, look, I've written it in. There, I'm going to ink this in. Channel 1 aileron, Channel 2 elevator, Channel 3 throttle, Channel 4 rudder. Okay, right, that's the channels. My goodness. So I had worked it out before, and I'd actually penciled it in on here. I'm going to ink that in more heavily for whoever gets this next.